Achieving life goals requires a combination of planning, discipline, and adaptability. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you work toward your goals effectively. 1. Define your goals clearly. Be specific. Clearly articulate what you want to achieve. For example, instead of saying, I want to be successful, define what success means to you. E.g., I want to start my own business. Categorize your goals. Break them into categories like career, health, relationships, personal growth, etc. Ensure they are meaningful. Your goals should align with your values and passions. Dersers, 2. Set SMART goals. Specific. Clearly define what you want to accomplish. Measurable. Include criteria to track progress. Achievable. Set realistic goals that challenge you but are attainable. Relevant. Ensure your goals align with your long-term vision. Time-bound. Set deadlines to create urgency. 3. Break goals into smaller steps. Divide larger goals into smaller, manageable tasks. For example, if your goal is to write a book, start with outlining chapters or writing a certain number of words daily. Create a timeline or action plan to stay on track. Ina i atshar. 4. Develop a routine. Establish daily habits that support your goals. For example, if your goal is to get fit, schedule regular workouts. Prioritize consistency over intensity. Small, consistent efforts lead to long-term results. Ders 5. Stay organized. Use tools like planners, apps, or journals to track progress. Prioritize tasks and focus on what's most important. 6. Stay motivated. Visualize success. Imagine how achieving your goals will improve your life. Celebrate milestones. Reward yourself for small wins along the way. Remind yourself of your why. Reconnect with the reasons behind your goals. 7. Overcome obstacles. Anticipate challenges. Identify potential roadblocks and plan how to address them. Stay flexible. Learn from failure. 8. Seek support. Surround yourself with positive, supportive people who encourage your growth. Find mentors or role models who have achieved similar goals. 9. Track progress and adjust. Regularly review your progress and adjust your plan if needed. 10. Stay patient and persistent. Achieving meaningful goals takes time and effort. Avoid getting discouraged by slow progress. By following these steps and staying committed, you can achieve your life goals and create a fulfilling, purpose-driven life.